What person in history would Michelle like to take out to dinner?
I'd take Jesus to dinner.
I would think that she might choose a lost relative.
I would want him to experience Italian food for sure. I love all of them, but he would definitely have to have a cannoli.
Do you know Michelle's favorite way to spend her weekend?
Around her house, taking care of things, the yard, her plants, things like that.
I do a little laundry, a little cleaning. I do some cooking, grocery shopping, and I absolutely go to the beach on Saturday or Sunday morning. That is an absolute.
Have you ever seen her? Do you think she has a bad day of the week? You recognize?
Probably Monday.
Probably Fridays. Students seem to be checked out. They don't pick up the phones. They're in Friday mode. Honestly, I'd rather be doing other things on a Friday than working too. Don't tell anybody I said that.
Is there a movie you've seen more than 10 times and why?
Hope floats.
Oh my gosh, yes, I've seen Forrest Gump. Oh, I can't count how many times I've seen that. I love Tom Hanks, for one thing. I love the story itself. It's funny, it's sad, it's thought provoking.
Do you ever hear her singing anything? Do you know if she is there a song that you imagine she knows all the words to? Like what's her shower song?
I'd say 80s. Billy Joel.
There's a lot of songs I know all the words to. I do sing a lot when I'm alone. My daughters and I used to do karaoke a lot. So we do a lot of Not My Mama's Broken Heart and, Miranda Lambert stuff that guys usually hate.